This is going to taste really great. I am never going to get tired of seafoods in Thailand. Today, I have decided to go for stir-fried squid. Let's see how it's made. This is some of my favorite type of food in Thailand. Everything fried fresh, made to order. It's really great. I mean, the vibe of the street. I mean, look at him. He knows exactly what he's doing. I mean, he's really good in that. And also, it smells so good. Oh man, with those fumes, chilies just spewing into the air, of cloud, chili smoke. I just love Thai street food. Pure happiness, pure happiness. I mean, like he's adding lots of ingredients together. Goes in this soy sauce, then chili oil, then this salt. I mean, look at him how it's doing. I mean, it's so perfect to watch. I mean, it's going to be so tasty. I mean, look at the smoke. I mean, I can get the smell. Goes in some spring onions. Man, I think those are basil leaves. I mean, look at the mix. I mean, the squid. I mean, there bell pepper. I mean, there are some carrots also. And he's doing it really great. And look at this. I think it's ready now. It's been served. So yeah, let's try it. It looks so flavorful. I mean, obviously, squid always tastes. This is my favorite food. And look at it. I mean, it looks so. It's saucy, garlicky, salty, hot and fresh, and the aroma of the pepper. I mean, this is extraordinary. I mean, this is extraordinary. This is out of this world. I love the taste every time I eat squid. I mean, this is 10 out of 10.